In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the feature to send a parent portal notification to the enrolment holder guardian's parent portal account when marking a child absent. To enable this feature, you're going to click on your settings menu and under admin, scroll down to bookings. You're then going to find the setting Alert Enrolment Guardian when the child is marked absent. And there are three options to select. If you select the SMS and parent portal notification, this means when marking a child absent using the absent reason other on the current day, the enrolment holder will be sent both an SMS and a parent portal notification to their parent portal. If you select just parent portal notifications only, this means it's only going to send parent portal notification to the enrolment holder guardian's parent portal account. There'll be no charges to your Kidsoft subscription when using the parent portal notification part of this feature. If we now move to a child's details page and move to their bookings tab, we're going to click on today's booking and mark the child absent using the absent reason other and click save. Now if we switch over to the guardian's parent portal account and we go to their notifications, we will then see that there is a notification advising that the child has been marked absent for the day. This is a system notification, and if the guardian has push notifications on their app, they will receive a push notification. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.